Abazi, Akmal, Albizi, Etiop, Mekono. Prometo nadar seguro.
Jag lovar att vara en säker simmare.
Prometo nadar seguro.
我愿意当一名安全游泳队员。
I pledge to be a safe swimmer.
The Safe Swimmers Pledge, a sweet sound in every language. And the National Water Safety Month partners want to invite you to join us in celebrating the month of May as National Water Safety Month. Parents, one way you and your kids can participate is by reviewing water safety information found on our Facebook fan page and have your kids take the Safe Swimmers Pledge.
I pledge to be a safe swimmer. I pledge to not swim alone.
I pledge not to play or swim near drains or suction fittings.
When diving, I pledge to steer up away from the bottom.
I pledge to obey the pool rules.
It's a fun, easy family activity that helps to promote the good message of safe swimming. We'll be featuring safe swimmers throughout the whole month of May. Swimming pools and splash pads are so much fun. Together we can make 2010 the safest and most enriching swimming season ever.
National Water Safety Month is a joint effort of the Association of Pool and Spa Professionals, the National Recreation and Park Association, and the World Water Park Association. Participating organizations include the International Swimming Hall of Fame, Florida Swimming Pool Association, the Independent Pool and Spa Service Association, Master Pools Guild, San Bernardino County Drowning Prevention Network, and Life Saving Resources. These organizations represent businesses, individuals, and agencies involved in bringing safe, enjoyable aquatic activities to the American public. National Water Safety Month continues to seek partnerships with organizations supporting water safety efforts. If your organization is interested in becoming a participant, please contact Helen Block at hblock@apsp.org.
Won't you join us?